Those who are interested in studying Buddhism, it is not necessary to come to India, but it is important to, at least especially in the beginning, it's important to find a qualified teacher. So if the qualified teacher is available anywhere, then go there. It's not necessarily in India, but qualified teacher is important, because what a qualified teacher can explain you cannot get it from the book, because you will get a very superficial knowledge. But then through experience, each and every word, each and every sentence becomes alive. So relying on a qualified, experienced teacher, not just any teacher, but really qualified, if possible, somebody who practices what he teaches. That's very, very important. Those who are looking for a teacher, I mean, if they just want to get some lecture, some talks, then that's not a big problem. You just find somebody who is qualified. But if you want to accept that as your, sometimes we could use the word root teacher, or otherwise also your spiritual teacher. So there you are making a bond, special bonds, and that also spiritual bond. So before you make that spiritual bond, it take time. Don't rush just like a dog finding a lump of meat. Don't rush like that. Take some time, and many qualifications are needed for that spiritual teacher. But at least 3 must be there. One, that the teacher should be compassionate, so that there is no risk of the teacher exploiting you, taking advantage of you, which happens today, you see. So it's important. And then the second, of course, the teacher must have more knowledge than you, otherwise he cannot teach. And the third, he should be somebody who is always ready to undergo some hardship or spend some time, to explain things to you. So at least 3 qualities, especially compassion, is very, very important. Yeah.